Hi, it's me. Today we will discover some facts about the Atlantic blue crab. The Atlantic blue crab, Calanectes sapidus, is an invertebrate belonging to the class Crustacea and the order Decapoda. It is native to the western Atlantic, ranging from Nova Scotia and the Gulf of Mexico down to Argentina. Today, however, it can also be found in the Mediterranean, the Black Sea, the Baltic, and even in Japanese waters. Their wide distribution is mainly due to ocean currents and, in many cases, human activity. For example, all known blue crab populations in the Baltic Sea originated from a single female. The Atlantic blue crab has no backbone, as with all invertebrates, but instead protects its organs with a hard exoskeleton made of chitin. It also shows clear sexual dimorphism. The shape of the abdomen is different in the sexes. Males have a T-shaped abdomen, while females have a rounded one with a pointed tip. On the claws, males are bright blue with reddish tips, whereas females are orange with purple tips. Now, let's look at some basic facts. The common name is Atlantic blue crab, and the scientific name Calanectes sapidus translates as beautiful swimmer. And indeed, this species is an excellent swimmer thanks to its flattened paddle-like rear legs. Taxonomically, it belongs to the family Portunidae, swimming crabs, and the genus Calanectes. Blue crabs are carnivorous and typically live 1 to 3 years. On average, they grow up to about 10 centimeters in length and 22 centimeters in width, weighing between 0.4 and 0.8 kilograms. Exceptional individuals may be slightly larger, but not several kilograms. The species is abundant and not listed as endangered. As for diet, blue crabs are opportunistic predators and scavengers. They eat clams, oysters, mussels, snails, fish such as sea bass and flounder, shrimp, other crabs, worms, and even detritus or plant matter when necessary. However, they themselves are prey for eels, red drum, striped bass, sharks, stingrays, birds, and of course humans. Blue crabs grow by molting. Because their hard shell cannot expand, they periodically shed it and form a new one. Right after molting, the crab's new shell is soft, making it very vulnerable until it hardens. Growth rates depend on age, sex, and salinity. In saltier waters, crabs can absorb calcium more efficiently, which helps their new shell harden faster. Reproduction is unique. Mating usually takes place when the female has just molted and is still soft-shelled. The male guards her before, during, and after mating to prevent rival males from interfering. Fertilization occurs internally, and females can store sperm for up to a year, allowing them to produce multiple batches of eggs. A single female can release up to 2 million eggs, which hatch into larvae in estuarine waters before drifting out to sea with the tides. Finally, here are some fun facts. The crab's blue color comes from the pigment alpha crustaceanin, which interacts with astaxanthin to produce a greenish-blue hue. At birth, larvae are transparent, gaining color after their first molt. Blue crabs prefer waters with salinity between 15–18 parts per thousand and do not tolerate levels below 5 ppt. They can also be affected by various parasites, including trematodes, Nemertean worms, ciliates, and the Microsporidian amacin. Despite being fierce predators, blue crabs are also a prized seafood delicacy. Their meat is sweet, tender, and extracted from both the body and claws. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.